3 weird facts about space.
Space is completely silent. There's no sound in space because there's no air to carry sound waves. Even the biggest explosion would be totally silent. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus spins so slowly that one full day, sunrise to sunrise, takes longer than it takes to orbit the sun once. Wild, right? Astronauts report that after spacewalks, their suits smell like burnt metal, gunpowder, or hot steak due to high energy particles reacting with materials.
Like, comment, and subscribe.